Hey everyone, welcome and thank you for joining me and the Sidekicks for another video. So Wyatt is here with me. We're coming from outside. He loves to be outside. Zena's here too, but I just wrapped up another video and she has run away because she thinks it's treat time. So I just wrapped up my Anna Luisa video and my box of style. So I'm still wearing my Anna Luisa jewelry. Is this not awesome? I got these earrings and this necklace and this ring, which I am loving. They're all beautiful, lightweight, loving it. I'll include the, in case you didn't catch that video, I will include the link to their website as well as my code, Happy10 for $10 off, in case you want to check it out because I'm loving this jewelry. It's great quality. Pure gold, amazing. Anyway, today's video is a Nordstrom Sandal haul. I went a little bit crazy trying to stock up my sandals for summer. So I bought a bunch of sandals. Check this out. So I'm going to share them with you and we can decide if they're keepers or if I should be returning them. And let me see if I can get the camera back. So, and they range from colors and styles. But I kind of stuck with a chunkier heel, more comfortable, because I walk really far when I'm at work and I don't really need anything with a crazy heel right now, and I have plenty of those. So let's dig in and see what I got. First up, Calvin Klein. I'm going to show you what each of the shoes are, go over pricing, and then I will try them on for you. Sound good? So this first pair is a bit of a snake print. I hope you guys can see that. Has that one little toe hold. And then it's open in the middle and a little bit of an asymmetrical look. And this pair, let's see if I can find the cost for you. This pair, $128.95. Okay, next. Something navy. I was looking for black shoes, so there are a couple pair here, similar, because I wanted something that looked nice on, didn't cover a bunch of my shoe, and was like all black. Whenever you, in the summer, it just seems to always stand out so much. So this pair is $99.95, again with the toe hold. Otherwise fairly open, has a nice chunky heel, but it's a decent size heel. Okay, that's pair 2. We have 8 pair to get to. Okay, next. This pair is J.Crew. My little Anna Luisa box. This is not cute. It's in the way. I'm going to have to move it. But it's like a little drawer. Awesome, with little jewelry pouches in it. Love it. Alright, I'm moving it. Next pair. Pink. I love pink. So these are $79. Nice little slide. Pair 3. Next, Dolce Vita. I saw this pair at the on the Evereve site, and I thought they were so adorable, and they were sold out. They're complete flats, but check these out. I normally don't go for total flats unless I'm being super casual, and then I will, but these are so cute. So this pair is $119.95. That's how much they were on the Evereve site too. So I was so excited because, like I said, they were sold out there. So second chances, right? But not cheap. Next. So these are funky. These are CECELIA, New York, Lincoln Strappy Clear Slide Sandal. And check these out. How different are these? Yes, no. These are $83.98. They were on sale. Very different. I'm not going to change my clothes for every one of these. There's too many pair. And I don't want this video to be forever long. So that pair will not go with this outfit. Neither will the pink shoes, but we'll just go with it. All right, next. So this is the Kenneth Cole New York Valen Scroll Sandal, $98.95. Look how pretty these are. So this is a suede material, so soft, loving the blush colors, a little bit of a heel, not much of one. Love these. So I think these would go with a lot. They have the pinky colors, but otherwise I almost think they would be like a neutral. So this part's pink, but then you get into the blushy colors and the tan. Okay, two more. I had to make this worth it, right? And you guys have probably figured out I do like shoes. Shoes and jackets, right? All right, these two are the same. They're by Splendid. I got two different colors because I had bought another pair of shoes by Michael Kors that were super expensive, and these were much cheaper. So I returned the Michael Kors, and I'll show you the other pair are like an orange color. That's what I returned, a pair of orange, and got these instead. But these are by Splendid, the Stevie Slide Sandal, $50. So this is the tan pair. And they're calling this orange, but it's like a tangerine, a coral. So I returned a pair of Michael Kors that were $110 and decided to try these instead for $50. So we'll see. But the color's pretty. And that is all 8 pair. So let's get right to the try on. Okay, so here is the first pair, working my way backwards. The orangey colored Splendid sandals. And I would try to get a close-up of each of these as well if I can. So I think these are comfortable. A cute basic sandal for summer. The price is good. These were the cheapest for $50. So what do you think? The color's nice. Something different. It would look nice with tans, blacks, leopard, like animal prints. All right, let's try the other pair on. Okay, so here they are in the natural color. So they would go with more. They feel comfortable on. They are cute. I do like the strappies on top. All right. Here are the Kenneth Cole little slides. These are so comfortable on. I love the colors in them. Such nice little basic neutral colors. I like that they have a little bit of pink in them. Very cute. Do you like these, Sana? I like these. Okay, and now here's the Dolce Vita flats that are in the animal print. How adorable are these? Super comfortable. Again, very strappy. Great weekend, comfy shoes. They look nice with this dress. Of course, it makes it very casual. Very cute. All right, and here are the pink ones. Have a little bit higher of a heel. It's cute though. These are super strappy. My only concern with these is if I walk and my little toe gets hooked on the strappy. Otherwise, I love the pink. What do you think of these? And here are the little funky clear buckle shoes. How fun are these? These would look very cute with a white jean skirt and a blue top, or a white dress, white jeans. These are so different. I think I would have to wear these around a little bit just to make sure they don't rub on the tops of my foot, but it's so cute. Very different. Okay, we're down to the 2 black pair. Alright, so this is the first pair that doesn't cover a lot of your foot, which I really like. It keeps a lot of it open, but yet you still have black shoes on. Sometimes I'll put some of my black shoes on and I feel like they cover so much of my foot, and in the summer that really seems to stand out. You don't seem to notice it so much in the winter. I hope I'm making sense. So the puppies here stop and get a little bit worked up. Sorry about that. But I do think I'm liking these. I think these are definite keepers. When I first started looking at shoes and then got distracted by all of these, this is kind of what I had in mind. So I do like these. Okay. Yep. And this is the final black pair. I like how they have the one toe and a little bit of the asymmetrical top to them. The snake print is a nice touch as well. These are very comfortable. They're a very soft, relaxed material. It's because of the snake print, but it's not a hard leather at all. Okay. So what did you think of my sandal haul? What are your favorites? What should I keep? What should I return? I know I went a little bit crazy, but sometimes I will just buy a bunch. That way I can narrow down my favorites and keep what I love and return what I don't. I had actually bought 2 more pair and already returned those and got them out of the pile. So now it's getting windy. My hair is going everywhere. The joys of being outside sometimes, right? I had fun though. I always love a good shoe try on. All of these I got online. None of them are from in the store. They have such a bigger selection online than they do in the store, and I love having them sent to me, and I get to do a big try on like this, and it's so easy to return. You just go online, pick which ones you want to return, print out your label, and take it right to the post office and return everything. So it works out really well for me. I will put the link to each of these sandals down below in case you want to check them out on the Nordstrom site for yourself. I had lots of fun. I hope you did too. Please share with me and tell me which sandals you like and which ones you thought I should keep. Thanks for hanging out with me in the sidekick. Zana's here. Wyatt's here too, but he's hiding. Until next time, everyone, I would love it if you would hit that like button. I'd love it if you'd hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, Zana's getting to the other side here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, have an awesome day. Bye.